these are the tools that I need to keep this garden tidy. I don't do any trimming till the end of the year. I'm going to strim around the edges first, then I'm going to edge all the way along there, then I'm going to blow all the waste onto the lawn or hide it in the corner, then I'll rake everywhere I need to go. Definitely need to trim all that first though. There's horsetail in there, there's all sorts of stuff. First I'll trim. Let's stick it there. Now I'll come along in edge. Nice and straightforward. I need to trim everywhere. The garden's getting a bit fuller now, so there's less raking. Now we need to hide all the waste or get it on the grass, one or the other. The ground's rock solid, so I'm going to use this claw. It's not going to be perfect. Need rain. I'll use the hoe to get bits that I've missed and put a little channel down there. It's not looking too bad. Better when it rains. Spread the soil a lot more. Now I'll do a full lap of the garden with the mower, clockwise, go backwards and start over there so that I end there and I'm going out of the gate there. I'll put the grass on number 3. I'll have a last little blow. That's how I'm leaving it. 20 minutes. Probably spend a little bit longer on it sometimes. That's all they can see from the windows. The end.